don't care what nobody says. It's cold. A little cold start for y'all. I don't even know. It's doing a lot of dinging because it's cold. We got a lot to talk about. So I'm going to just start this video off by saying, if you guys don't know, my last video I made was issues with the 340s. But what I got to start off by doing right now is I'm going to chew out these little comments a little bit because I noticed something. Whenever you post a video that people don't necessarily agree with, those type of videos tend to get like dislikes, more dislikes than normal. And I expect that. Man, I got a lot of heat. I chew it up. Oh, why you even get the car? Blah, 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 blah. You should have got it this. It's not going to be an M3. This is where I'm about to shut all y'all up right now who wanted to comment negatively, right? The funny thing is, right, the video is titled M340 issues that nobody tell you about. Who cares? It's titled how I wanted to title it, right? 2, I'm comparing it to the F30 or the F32. And that's why I should have stated in the video that majority of people who come from the F30 and then bought a G20, y'all know this car is dope. This car is lovely. I'm driving it right now. I like it. I don't see anything wrong with it enough to not get the car. I'm just pointing out little snippets. And I think a lot of you guys who have F30s will point out the same things, if you understand what I'm saying. Y'all notice it because it's just something that you notice. You know, so I'm not comparing it to an M3. I'm comparing it to the 335 and the 435 and the 340s of the F30 generation. So there you have it. I hope you guys understand that. But let's get this video underway. I actually got to go pick up the real deal camera, go get some food, and we're gonna start this vlog off properly. If you guys have not subscribed, definitely go down below, hit the subscribe button, like, comment, emojis matter too. In today's video, I'm gonna address you know, some of the little you know, issues, complaints I had with the M340, which will be the paddles. Now, this is an easy problem to correct. Or let me not say problem, because this is very first worldish problem of me, but let me say thing that I don't like. You know, so this is the easiest thing to correct. I've already, before I made the video, purchased these. Boom, right here. Unfortunately, they were sold out when I picked this up. So I got this from Golden Wrench Supply Co. I actually found this company from Thick F30. He had it, I think, advertised on Instagram. So you know what? He got a little 10% off code or 15. I forget how much it is. Let me give it a shot because I like to save money too. These were very cheap. Believe it or not, funny story. I actually got sponsored by a company. I forget the name. They gave me a certain percent off to buy their product. But however, those paddles were so expensive, they were even more than this full price with no sponsorship. So I told myself, yeah, I'm just gonna go the route of spending less money. And I had to tell the company, like, you know, it is what it is, bye. But these are actually for the Supra. And I figured the Supra share the same motor, they share the same trans, they share the same they share the same ECUs and all of that stuff. So I mean, paddle shifters, I hope they share them as well. The steering wheel in the Supra is a little bit different. Actually, it's a lot bit different. In my opinion, I prefer the BMW steering wheel. Looks a little bit better. Looks a lot better. But with that being said, I don't see paddles being different. So I bought the ones for the Supra. I know it's pretty stupid of me because the company had the M340 one sold out. However, they had in stock for Supra. So if they are legitimately the same, then you get my. We have arrived to Total Performance. I heard Total was not a good thing, but yeah, I don't know. Let me hook the other U and pull into the shop. Just keep spinning, just keep spinning. This is a lovely car. I don't think you guys realize how fun this car is. For something so new and borderline in warranty, which is pretty much not, but it is. This car is pretty fun. Makes a lot of power. Woo! Woo! This should be fun. Doing the paddles on the car at Total Performance. The goal is to disconnect the batteries. There's 2 batteries in here. Oh, yeah. So this is battery number 1. This battery, I think you should be able to hear me over that. I think so. The mic is pretty damn good. You think so? The mic is pretty good. This battery number 1. This is like actually it's battery number 2, because the big one is in the back. It's a small battery right up here. It's a lithium-ion battery. Don't ask me why they do it, but they do it. So I'm gonna disconnect this one and the one in the back, and then I'm gonna start taking off the airbag. Yeah. May God be with me.
Go and try your luck. Test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up. Then that ass be poking out them jeans. I've been sparking up. Like the fireworks, I keep the flame. Heard you barking up. This the wrong tree, I got the strings. Yeah, I'm charging up. They can't keep up, got them looking drained. Now they walking up. Trying to put the face to the name. I pull up and I and I'm swerving. If a nigga try to holler, she gon' curve him. We came from under buzz like a Persian. We been staying in our lane, ain't no merging.
I didn't know how much stuff is in this trunk. Now this car is equipped with a spare, so the battery sits directly under the spare. Not like the old BMW 3 Series, more like the F10s, where the battery kind of sits in the middle. I guess they did it for weight balance, weight distribution, only thing that makes sense. So directly under the spare sits the battery use. One more second. I guess I gotta loosen this. Oh no, that's right.
Like a motherfucking turban. Yeah, these niggas all square like Irvin. Yeah, we grew up in the hood, no Suburbans. If I say I need my money, then it's urgent. Yeah, they want me to quit. Yeah, they want me to shift. But as long as...
So now that we have that out of the way, I still got to figure out how the airbag is going to come out so we can reach behind and access the paddles. Then we'll go in this little slit and push. And then this side is out. Do the same on this side. Steering wheel should probably be straight, you know, to make it easier on your life. Here we go. Airbag should be ready to come out. Oh, these little springs right here. That's what it is. These little springs. That's to push up against. And boom. Easier than the F30s, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. Get this out the way. This side, that thing looks nice. And I'm gonna play with these. So first what I'm gonna do is just take this off, and this is where the T20 comes in, I think. I'm gonna unscrew this T20. Oh wow, one tool for everything. And boom. Make sure I don't drop the Torx bolt. You can see this little hole right here. I'm just pushing through it. Oh. Not sure if you guys can see, but this right here on the left is the upgraded paddle, and this one is the stock on the right. Pretty sure you guys can see. Oh, it looks exactly the same, honestly. It looks like it's a direct fit. Oh yeah. Pretty sure you guys can see this metal feel in the back, plastic feel in the back, and it's like the cheap plastic, not even like BMW's like rubberized. I don't know, it just feels like cheap plastic, whereas this is metal. I went ahead and got silver. This is something that kind of matches the trim. I didn't want to go super crazy. I'm just going for a better feel, like an OEM Plus premium feel. So I think it's a huge upgrade right here. Should look something like that. The paddle should go on. Oh, it's a bigger paddle, so you got to give it more room. Ram it in the bottom. Oh, it should be good. Just a little clickaroo. It's clicking, and I'm gonna put it back in. crap, guys. We got a paddle. Let me try to turn the wheel straight for you guys. There we go. So you can see it. This is the new paddle. Oh, it feels so much better. And this is the old paddle. Night and day, literally. Night and day. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock this one out. I'm not gonna do any talking. I'm just gonna rush through it. So yeah, catch you guys when I'm done. Yo.
You got an 11 mil socket in there?
11 mil? Oh yeah, it's in the trunk.
All right, cool. No,
Nah, just grab it.
No, I don't need it right now.
Oh, all right, cool. Now all we gotta do is push this in now. And it should be good. Hold on, let me make sure these tight for one last time before I put the airbag back in. It is sexy. Damn, look at this. Ooh, look at that. Now I'm gonna push it. We should be good.
What was that?
Nah, we good. It's tight. Yo, look at them paddles though. What you think?
I'm alive, we gon' keep on making hits while they steady shooting bricks. Man, it's lit, yeah, it's lit. Me and Dale back to back, and yeah, I'm dishing the assist. Yeah, they talk a lot of shit, but we really with the shits. Lame ass niggas always gonna be reaching for they hit. Smoke a nigga like a clip. They can never catch me slipping. Every time your girl around, she be watch the way I'm dripping. Try your luck, test me in again, we let it ring. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up, then that ass be poking out them jeans. I've been sparking up like the fireworks. I keep the flame. Heard you barking up. This the wrong tree. I got the string.
Looks real nice and have the metal feel in the back. Has this metal. 100% worth it. But one thing that I didn't realize I would like about these paddles, how long they are. So you can tell the paddle goes like about, I would say, 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches higher than, I say 1.5 inches higher than the old paddles. And they go about 1.5 inches below as well. It gives you a lot more room to hit the paddle, especially when you're turning. I can have my hands up here, use the very top, and it's sturdy. Doesn't flex or nothing, nice and sturdy. You use any part of it down here. I like that. I kind of find myself liking using the skinnier part for some reason. And I can fit all fingers on it. Let me get over. The way I got the camera is a little difficult to drive, to be honest with you. But yeah, so typical spot would be right here. It feels good. I like the metal feeling, like I said, but transmission is not as dramatic as I would want it to be, obviously. But boom, hit the paddle. Woo! Feels nice. Now it has the same, obviously, throw and everything like that. Nothing changed with how short or hard or firm or light it clicks. It's just the material in the paddle. I ain't got enough room to be wilding out, so. How she looks, guys. This thing is beautiful. Beautiful. Perfect too. The color perfect. I think black would have been way too hidden. We have a lot of black on here, but we also have some silver, so I figured why not, you see what I'm saying, match this with that. Gives it a nice look. So when you get in the car, it looks like something that BMW would have added as an M performance option, if that makes sense. Now they do have the carbon ones for sale. I've seen a couple of carbon options for sale. I don't know, really wasn't a fan of it, especially because there's no carbon in this interior at all, no carbon fiber. It's just a aluminum hexagon type of dashboard and silver trim. So I figured, you know, let's not disturb the peace. BMW really did well with making this interior really sporty. Instrument cluster is fire because, and I mentioned this in another video, but just a little snippet right here. One thing that BMW did that, I was a little confused at first, but it makes so much sense now. They put this little overview of the road in the middle, and they didn't put any street signs or anything like that. And I'm thinking to myself, well, why would somebody do that? It's not informative at all. However, it is, because when you're a BMW driver and you're trying to find some twisty roads, you don't care what street you end up on. You just want to see which roads are the twisty ones and should you go right or not. So I applaud BMW. Not sure if that's why you did it, but it makes sense. It looks like, you know, Gran Turismo, like Need for Speed, the little map in the side. It doesn't really have anything, but it shows you where the turns and curves are, so you know where to have fun and where to actually hit the brakes. So I'm gonna park up right here. Ooh, there's a nice Nardo Gray M4. Here she is, guys. All her glory. See what I mean by the paddle stick down a little bit? Perfect, perfect. You can grip it all 4 fingers. Boom. Grab from the top, bottom. Nice feel. And the horn does work. I didn't screw the job up.
Charging up, they can't keep up, got them looking drained. Now they walking up, trying to put the face to the name. I'm in flex mode with the best, though. That's a major key, that's a chess move. I'm your favorite G, I think it's best, yo. Stop with all the grilling, I'm on jet fuel. Taking off, clear the runway, now they cannot clip my wings. Yeah, they soft, they ain't homie, they ain't even on the scene.
So there you guys have it. Paddles for the win. All right, guys, Micro Slow Speed. I'm gonna get out of here. Peace out.